Urobo ado mi urobo le gbari oje. Uyo nọrọ ọnwa na nwaanyị takpare ibietali di kugboboro mlawa. None na wekata kpare ibietali I kugboboro mlawa. Ibietali I na ive urobo ovoka ochiko omoka. Today we are going to talk about letter E. We have two E's in Urobo. They sound differently. The letter E, the first one sound as A. The letter E, that A, the one that sound as A doesn't carry dot. Then the one that sound as carries dot. Now, in order for you to differentiate the both, we are going to talk about the first letter E in Urobo, which sound as A. A as in A in English. When you hear any sound in Urobo that sound as A, just know it's letter E, that letter E that doesn't carry a dot. Letter E that doesn't carry a dot. As in angel, the A there, that is how the letter E sound. Example, Eha, play, Ehara, umbrella, Enu, up, Emo, children, Emu, food, Etiyi, deer, Enya, spit, Eshu, devil, Erimi, millipede, Eruwu, beauty, Egro, hole, Etiyi, deer, Enwerin, monkey, Eni, elephant, Egbon, ram, Eru, cap, Egenege, upstairs. Then Eranko, dog, Ekpetiuge, television, Esi, pig, Ehara, umbrella, Ehwa, bed, Ekpu, bag, Eranwewi, rat, Erin, fish, Ere, mat, Enya, spit like saliva. Then Enya, shrimps, Egbede, needle, Ehun, dress, Edo, noise, Evo, song, Emete, girls, Erie, alligator pepper. Now let me give one sentence in regards to the letter E. We have Emete na igbeha, the girls are dancing. Emete na igbeha, the girls are dancing. So I think you can, from the above examples that I've given, from there you can pick up some words in which you can use to form some sentences on your own in order for you to be acquainted with this particular letter. I want to thank you very much. This is where I'm going to end my lecture for today. In our next class, we'll talk about the letter E that carries dots. I greet everybody. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. And cheers. Bye.